Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you the different parts of ShopFunnels membership and what you can do with each part. First, when you sign in, you get taken to the Welcome to ShopFunnels main screen. You have some options. The first is cPanel One-Click Install. This is the place you use to install the ShopFunnels to the cPanel details. Here's the detailed video, or you can find the link in the description of this video. So, that is the first part. Next, the second option is to host with us, and this is the place where you can buy hosting from us. If you also want to buy the domain by clicking on the I want a new one, enter the domain that you want to buy. If that domain is available, it will show you. Otherwise, it will also show you different suggested domains that are available. Now, click on the Continue Buying. Enter your details and you will be able to purchase your domain as well as hosting. On the other hand, if you already have your domain, select I have my own domain. And you need to update this name servers to your domain to use this hosting. Here are the hosting plans that you'll get. Choose any from the three. You'll get a payment pop-up screen on your page. If you don't see the pop-up, please enable the pop-up in your browser and enter your details to purchase the hosting and pay. Let's move to the next, Manual Installation. This is the place where you can download the ShopFunnels script in a zip file to install it on your hosting. These are the steps to download and install the ShopFunnels. There's a detailed video you'll find in the description of this video. Next is the Dfy Installation. This option is for people who do not want to go through the hassle of setting up ShopFunnels themselves. If you are not technical, if you do not want to get into a technical mess, if you want to hire some expert people who really understand ShopFunnels, you can hire us to install ShopFunnels on your server. Next is Manage Licenses. Here you can manage the installation licenses that you've created when installing your ShopFunnels. You can also generate the license for the new installation by entering the URL where you've installed it. Next, here's the tutorial section where you'll find all the tutorials about ShopFunnels. Click on the Explore More and select the topic on which you want to see the tutorials. You'll learn how to use ShopFunnels over here. Last, support. If you do have questions or if you want to learn anything that we have not covered in the tutorials, if you have technical setup questions or any sort of questions, you can approach us. We do have live support, even live chat support, so you could talk over Chat Web Tool. We will try to get you the answers so that you could use ShopFunnels better. You can change the profile details like your name, email address, and password. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.